Hello students, today we learn about polynomial. A polynomial is an expression consisting of variables and coefficients that involves the operations plus minus into. Clear? Here general form of a polynomial in one variable of degree n for any natural number n is px equal to an x raised to n plus an minus 1 x raised to n minus 1 plus so on test s plus a1 x1 plus a0. Clear? Here see, if all coefficients will be equal to 0, then we get px equal to 0. Clear? Here px will be 0 polynomial. Clear? So if px equal to 0, then polynomial in variable x or in one variable is called 0 polynomial. Clear? But if px equal to a numerical value without any variable as 6, then it is called constant polynomial. Clear? Whenever we can write it 6 x raised to 0, because x raised to 0 means 1 and 1 into 6 will be 1. 1 into 6 will be 6. Clear? So px equal to 6 will be constant polynomial. Px equal to 0 will be 0 polynomial. Here we learn now degree of polynomial. If the highest power of the variable in a polynomial is we see, then this highest power will be degree of the polynomial. For example, 5y6 minus 4y square minus 6 is a polynomial. So polynomial in the variable y, see, highest power of y is 6. So degree of this polynomial will be 6. Now here is noted very important, degree of the 0 polynomial is not defined. So if we write a polynomial px equal to 0, then its degree is not defined. And if polynomial is constant polynomial as px equal to 6, then degree of non-zero constant polynomial will be 0. It is noted. Clear? And otherwise highest degree of the polynomial will be its degree. Clear? Now very important point, that power of any variable. Clear? Power of any variable in the polynomial should not be any other number, only can be whole number here, as x raised to minus 1 is not written, can be written. X raised to 1 by 2 can be not written. X raised to 1 by 2 is root x. Clear? So any negative integer can be not written as the power of x, and rational numbers, fraction numbers is also not written as the power of x. Numerator and denominator should become here. Then it will be not polynomial form. Clear? And coefficient is a numerical value which comes before variables, as 6x. Here coefficient of x is 6. In other example, let see a polynomial minus x. Here coefficient of x is minus 1. Here we can write 1. So coefficient of x will be minus 1. Clear? So we can 1 in polynomial x because we can it 1 into x. Okay? So coefficient of x will be 1. Here noted here, coefficient of variable will be any number. It can be root number or fraction number or any other number. But power of variable will be only whole number. Clear? Then it will be algebraic expression as a polynomial. Clear? Now types of polynomial. If the polynomial contains only one term. Here also noted polynomial can have finite number of terms. But if only it have only one term, then it will be called monomial. Clear? If a polynomial have two terms, then it will be called binomial. If this have three terms, then it will be called trinomial. Let we take example xyz plus 4. This is binomial because it has two terms. This polynomial is example of three variables. Clear? Let a example 8 raised to 8, 8 t raised to 4 and t raised to 3. It is three terms polynomial in one variable only, so it will be trinomial. Okay, monomial, binomial or trinomial will be or should be in one variable or two variable or three variable. Clear? Now we see general form of linear polynomial. Linear polynomial means which have highest degree 1. Which polynomial have highest degree as 1. General form of it is ax plus b. Clear? Here a is not equal to 0. Highest degree of highest degree of 2 polynomial is called quadratic polynomial. General form of quadratic polynomial is ax square plus bx plus c. Here also noted B and C can be 0, equal to 0, but A is not equal, can be not equal to 0. General form of cubic polynomial in one variable is ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d. Here also noted A is not equal to 0, B, C or D can be equal to 0. So student, we see basic knowledge of polynomial here. In the next video, we take another facts about polynomial. Okay, bye.